The AI industry is obsessed with getting bigger, but what if the real breakthrough is actually getting smarter? I mean, you see it everywhere, right? Huge models defined by just how massive and complex they are. We're talking models with over 1 trillion parameters. Yeah, that's a lot of building blocks. And they can process over 1 million words at once. These numbers are just staggering. But all that scale, it creates a hidden, expensive problem that slows everything right down. It's called the KV cache. Basically, it's the AI's short-term memory. Super important for conversations. And here's the catch. The longer the chat, the bigger the memory gets. It creates a memory wall. So how do you break through that wall? Well, say hello to Google's new algorithm, TurboQuant. It promises a massive 6-fold drop in the memory needed for that all-important KV cache. How? By squeezing data from a standard 16 bits all the way down to just 3. And here's the kicker. It does all this with basically zero loss in model accuracy. Incredible. So, how on earth does it pull this off? Well, the magic is in a clever 2-step process. First, something called PolarQuant reformats the data. Then, a tiny algorithm called QGO cleans up errors. Think of it like this. PolarQuant changes the coordinates to be way more efficient, cutting out the overhead. And that second part, QJL, it's a tiny but super powerful error checker that keeps things accurate. Okay, so that's the theory, but how does this thing actually perform? Let's check the numbers. Get this, at 4-bit precision, it delivered up to an 8 times speedup in a key calculation. It just blows the current standard away. We're talking 6 times the memory reduction with no accuracy loss. Okay, let's bring it back to reality for a sec. This is still a research paper, not a product. Yet. So let's talk big picture. Why should you actually care about something like cache compression? Because this stuff puts powerful AI everywhere, on your phone, in small businesses, improving the services we use. So yeah, while giant models get the headlines, it's really efficiency that makes AI practical for everyone. Which leaves us with a big question. Maybe the real AI race isn't about getting bigger, but smarter.